In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about uninstalling the Opera web browser on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select General, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says Storage. It should be actually near the top of the page. And then scrolling down on this page, across from applications should have your application size. Select the little circle with an eye in it next to it, and then select Opera from the list and select Delete. Select Delete again to confirm and give us a moment to run here. And that's pretty much it. You may want to restart the computer and remove Opera from the system dock, but that's pretty much all you have to do. So, as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.